Now we come to sea breeze and land breeze. So now we have a sun. It means it's a day. This is moon. Why it is night? Okay, so in the pictures you want to say day and night, don't write a day and night, just draw sun or moon. It's a geography way of representing day and night. So day and night child is smaller, but you draw sun and the moon, it's a proper way of representing it. Okay. So daytime, sun rises up. Okay, I'll give you the story. Okay. Sun rises up. Once sun rises up, sunlight falls on the coast and the ocean water. I am talking about only the very narrow region, 10 kilometers. Okay, around 10 kilometers from the here. So this is the beach. So here we take 10 kilometers. Here we take 10 kilometers. Only the very narrow stretch of a water and the land. Exactly both sides of the coast. 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers. Okay. Now sunlight directly falls over here. Okay. Sunlight directly falls. So it's exactly in the early morning. Sunlight directly falls over here. Now land and ocean both started to get heated up. Now which will get heat faster? Land get heat faster. Now sun rises. Now we see the midday. So we have a midday. So we have a overhead sunlight at the 12 noon. So maximum amount of sunlight falls over the ocean and falls over the land. So maximum heat energy gets into the land. Now afternoon. Sun started to set down. Now sun is here. We have a slanting solar radiation, inclined solar radiation. Now heat energy will be started to released out, radiated back to the atmosphere from the land and the sea. So now just imagine the maximum amount of sunlight reached at the ground and the ocean at 12 o'clock. That heat energy, that heat will be converted into energy at 2 p.m. Exactly we can see 2 p.m. we can get the maximum temperature on the ground. Not at 12 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, where the maximum of heat is absorbed, that becomes a highest temperature. It takes 2 hours to convert the temperature into heat energy or the ocean temperature. Right? Now exactly 2 o'clock, we have a low temperature. So high temperature here, 2 p.m. Just keep it, the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius over the land. But compared to the land, ocean temperature will be low. Normally the ocean temperature, the tropical regions, if you keep it 27 degrees Celsius, it will not change at any time. In a day or even the seasons, it maintains the same temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, or hardly between the seasons it may change 0.5 degree, not more than that, because the ocean is a huge water body and completely dynamic in character and horizontal vertical manner, so we cannot find any temperature change. So it maintains same temperature throughout the day and throughout the year almost. This is a convection process. Entire molecule circulate wherever it takes longer period of time. So it maintains almost same temperature. So land, ocean at 27 degrees Celsius. Now this heat energy on the land will influences the atmosphere over the land. So land, ocean, air temperature also is having the same 40 degrees Celsius. Now what will be the pressure? Low pressure compared to the sea. In the sea we have a 27 degrees Celsius. Land will have 40 degrees Celsius. So land will have a low temperature and coming high temperature and low pressure. What about the sea? Compared to the land, it is having low temperature, high pressure. So here that term is very, very important. Compared to the land, ocean is having a low temperature. Got it? Now exactly around 4 o'clock, the wind will flow from high pressure to low pressure, from sea to land. It is called as sea breeze. It's called as sea breeze. Two o'clock overhead sunlight, 2 o'clock high temperature, 4 o'clock pressure difference, then wind started to flow. So daily evening Around the 4 or after the 4 o'clock, we have a sea breeze from the sea to land. Clear? This is influenced by thermal character difference between land and water. Thermal character difference land and water. In the picture, there is a just see here, there is a house, there is some smokes here. Irka? Smoke irka inge? Therida? Ippada therida. Adu endha side la irukku? Towards the land irukku. Keep in mind. Inga oru boat irukku. Boat endha pakkam irukku? Moving towards. So, you boat varanga ipdi varina boat. I'll show you how to draw the boat. Okay. This is a very important component. Okay. Miss pannama varanjirunga. Suppose you draw a boat. So, put a flag opposite side. Flag ipdi ponum. The flag. Apna the boat is moving towards land. So, rough pota podana. Like this you can draw a picture. Now, sea breeze land breeze flows only from land to sea to land because the temperature difference is the same direction. Temperature difference influences pressure difference. Pressure difference influences vertical movement of a wind system. Already படிச்சிருக்கோம் isobar la. Wind always move perpendicular to the isobar. அப்ப low pressure high pressure na isobar இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். Wind will flow opposite direction. You want to show the picture again? நான் வரைஞ்சு காமிக்கவா? Suppose we look the entire region, the top view la paathom. Adha inga paathukonga. I will explain something different. Suppose we are looking entire region in the top view. So I said this is high pressure area. This high pressure area. This will be low pressure area. So illa maathi pottranum. And this will be a low pressure area and this high pressure area. For example, if you keep this is 1020 millibar pressure, 1000 millibar pressure. Okay, if you want to draw an isobar will be like this. Thousand, maybe 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. So wind will flow perpendicular from here to here, perpendicular to the isobar. This is flow out. Now land irundha sea landu land ku varum. This process reverse ah panadum. So sea breeze land breeze doesn't flow parallel to the coast, always flows perpendicular to the coast. Adu kaaranam is isobars, right? So this is land, this is ocean. இந்த படமும் போட்டுக்கோங்க, just parallel ah irukum. So all the pictures go parallel. இத வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்கல, whatever the process, just below that you draw it. This isobar explanation வச்சுக்கலாம். The isobar explanation of sea breeze. Example, if there are sea breeze and land breeze, you can draw this isobar picture also along with it. ஏன் சொல்லுங்க? ஏன் வர சொல்றேன்? isobar picture இருக்கு வர சொல்றேன். வேற யாரும் வரைஞ்சிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. எப்படி? ஏன்னா எந்த புள்ளியும் அது இருக்காது. நம்ம நோட்ஸ்ல மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். யாரா என்னென்ன வரைஞ்சிருக்கான் அப்படி யோசிப்பாங்க. எங்கேயோ படிச்சிருக்கான், கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவாங்க. So this is scientific explanation of sea breeze land breeze. Instead of writing a stories, along with the stories, to draw this isobar picture also. So we are explaining the concept of a wind formation into sea breeze land breeze. So scientific answer pathing. This is called optional answer. This is the optional answer. In GS level, no need of an isobar picture. Simply draw land and water, high pressure, low pressure, wind flows. That is GS answer. But in optional, we show isobar also along with it. So we are writing technically in math. Okay, so the same process will reverse during during night. Land will cool faster than the sun. Okay, land will cool faster than the water body. So exactly 2 o'clock in the early morning, 2 o'clock early morning, 2 a.m. We're having a low temperature. Just for example, we can give 20 degrees Celsius. How much? ஒண்ணுமே தெரியலையோ, black வைக்கலாம். To 2 a.m. early morning is having a low temperature, but sea will have same temperature, not the high temperature, same temperature. It's a 27 degrees Celsius. Now we compare it. Compared to the land, ocean is having high temperature, so it will be low pressure. Compared to the ocean, land will have, so it needs to have high pressure. So winds will flow from high pressure to low pressure, from land to sea. Early morning, 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. Now wind flows from land to sea. So it is called as land breeze. ஆமா, நார்மலாக 4 AM அப்புறம் தான் 4 PM அப்புறம் தான் நடக்கும். இது டேக் டைம் டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதாவது சன்லைட் ரிசீவ் ஆகணும், ஹீட் எனர்ஜி கிரியேட் ஆகணும், ப்ரெஷர் ஃபார்ம் ஆகணும்ல, இட் டேக் டைம். ஸோ நார்மலாக 4 AM அப்புறம் தான் ஸ்ட்ராங்கான விண்டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆக ஆரம்பிக்கும், மார்னிங் அண்ட் ஈவினிங். சரிங்க பாருங்க, வாட் அபவுட் தி பொல்யூஷன் ஃப்ரம் த ஹோம் எப்படி இருக்கு? டுவர்ட்ஸ் சி இருக்கு. வாட் அபவுட் தி போட்? டுவர்ட்ஸ் தி சி இருக்கு. அவ்வளோ. ஸோ சேம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஐசோபார் பிக்சர் மேலே போடணும். எப்படி போடுவீங்க? சேம் ஐசோபார் பிக்சர், இந்த சேம் 1020 இங்க இருக்கும், பட் இங்க 1030 வரும் லேண்ட்ல. ஏன்? லோ டெம்பரேச்சர். ஸோ இங்க பாருங்க, இந்த பிக்சர்ல டோன்ட் மேக் அ ஸ்மால் மிஸ்டேக் ஹியர். ஹியர் ஐ ட்ரான் 1020 ஓஷன்ல, சேம் 1020 ஐ கிவன் ஹியர் பிகாஸ் டெம்பரேச்சர் ஆகல. ocean has no temperature change, but land மட்டும் மாறி இருக்கு. Instead of 1000 I made it 1030. So pressure increased. So wind flow from, yes, high pressure, low pressure. So just check out here, sea breeze, it pushes the entire pollution towards the land. What land breeze does? It carries away all the pollution towards sea. So every day it cleans the entire city without getting any money. That is why it's always healthy to go early morning jogging or walking in the city. Why? We get a clean air. If you go evening, worst thing, evening walking, jogging for worst thing, because everything will dump it into the atmosphere. You will take all pollution in your lungs. So that's why people will go jogging, walking on the beach, nearby beach and the cities and parks in the morning. So this is very foremost. This is the impact. நீங்க கரெக்ட் இருக்கீங்க. எழுதுங்க impact. என்ன சொன்னீங்க? sea breeze and land breeze சொல்லல. sea breeze impact என்ன? Write both the sides like this. Okay, impact போட்டுக்கோங்க. Write both the sides. Impact of sea breeze, dumping of pollution into the land. இங்க land breeze la, yes, cleaning சொல்ல முடியாது, carrying, cleaning வேலையை பார்க்குது நம்மளுக்காக. Carrying pollutions away from land, away from land. Now what about the second one? இல்ல அதுலயே வந்துடும், திரும்ப அதையே எழுத முடியாது. ஆமாங்க ஆமாங்க, எல்லாம் புஷ் பண்ணி விடுங்க, நான் அக்குமுலேட் பண்ணுவோம்ல, லேண்ட் அக்குமுலேட் பண்ணிடும். sea breeze, land breeze will carry out. நீங்க கோஸ்டல் ஏரியால நீங்க அங்க சிம்னி ஸ்மோக் வந்தாலும் it will go into the city தான். ஆமாங்க, சீல கொண்டு வரலங்க, கோஸ்டல் ஏரியால இருக்கிறது கொண்டு சிட்டிக்குள்ள டம்ப் பண்ணோம். coastal area, that pollution will dump it into the city. That is the accumulation of pollution into the city, create. And second more important, fishermen, when they will take their boat going to the sea, why? So land breeze will assist them to take the boat into the sea. So number 2 here, fishermen. Fishermen, what is fishermen? Navigation. Navigation towards sea. So early morning fishing possible arc. So when they come back to the home, normally they will come in the evening or they will come after the sea breeze set. Sea breeze, land breeze off they will come back again. Early 4 o'clock, they will come back or 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, they are back to the coast again for one. Or they are having a very bigger boat, they will stay, they take lunch, they will come in the evening. Or a smaller boat, they will come in the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So daily trip, they will make use of it.